So this is what we're looking at today, sir. So this is what we got going on today. We're gonna go ahead and get this flower bed redone for this customer. Again, one of the things that we can do, they kind of boost our revenue in our business, man. When you get in a customer's yard, which this is actually a new client, been doing it for about 3 weeks now. So you know, it's the time we can get out here and make ourselves a little extra money. You got to find opportunity in customers' yards, and this is one customer reached out to me, just asked me if I could do a flower bed. So we're gonna redo the flower bed. So we're gonna lay down some pine straw, put some azaleas out, and see what we can do. Well, let's go. As you can see, this is going to be a process. We're going to go ahead and cut the tape right now. Get this knocked out so we don't waste battery. We want to show you the good stuff. Let's go. Alright guys, this is what we got. After about 3 hours of hauling rocks back and forth to actually the back of the house, and then we put some in the back of the flower bed, kind of, you know, hold on to some of that water so we don't produce no kind of unwanted visitors back there in the back with the mulch. So you want to keep a rock barrier in the back there, kind of help out with things. So that's what we did right now. We're about to go ahead and get together and pull these plants out of here that are in here, and then get to work. So this we will record. Hopefully it don't take us too long. Let's go. That's a nice little ant pile under that one over there, so we're gonna let that one settle down a little bit, and probably hit it with some bug spray or something with those ants. Next up, while it's doing that, we're gonna go ahead and hit it with some pre-emergent. Make sure we don't have any weeds popping back up in this flower bed. We dug most of them out and got it situated. So that's what we're gonna do now. Hit it with a little bit of pre-emergent, and then add some more soil on top and plant our plants, and we should be good to go. Wait a minute. We got it done. Took us most of the day, but we got it done. There you go.